Hey everybody, welcome to the 12 Days of Making with Longmont Yarn Shop. Today we're featuring some of our favorite things in the felting department. We have felting kits from 4 different sources and we want to tell you about all of them. Going Gnome is a company we've carried for many years. They have adorable little kits that are gnome-like kits and also animal-like kits. So this is an example of the Screech Owl babies. This is an example of the classic gnome. This is the female gnome and the male gnome, and a variety of other cute kits out there. All these kits come with 2 needles and all the roving you need, and they're very generous with their roving, so you don't have to worry about running out. Needle felting is a really great intergenerational craft. It's fun for all ages, a great way for people to get around the table and work on a project together. You do need to pay attention that you're watching your roving that you're felting and not poking your fingers with this barbed needle. When you're felting, the Going Gnome kits do not have one key ingredient, and that is felting foam. We sell felting foam here at Longmont Yarn Shop. These are the smaller size. I think it's 5 by 9 that you can get. So, felting kits from Going Gnome. The next kits I want to talk about are the kits we carry from Wool Pets. This is an example of a Wool Pets kit. These are 2 chickens, and I believe these are the 2 chickens that, did Christiana make these in class, or did Stephanie make these in class?
Stephanie did.
Stephanie made these in class. So these are cute, adorable chickens from the Wool Pets chicken kit. This is labeled intermediate, and usually when something's not a beginner and it's intermediate, it's because of things like armatures, which are wire attachments to help with the chicken standing up. But all the kits are labeled with the skill and ability that you need. Another intermediate kit, a llama, and probably this is intermediate because you have to attach legs and ears. That just requires a little bit more concentration. But we have lots of easy beginner kits like the octopus. The dinosaur is super popular with the kids, as you might expect. Cute little bunny, cute little pig, and a lot of these kits make 1 or 2 items. Our newest needle felting products are from the Crafty Kit Company, and this is from Scotland. And we picked these out because they're adorable. This includes everything you need, including the foam. So wool, glass eyes, wire, pipe cleaner, everything you need to make this adorable little Jenny Wren. So we got the bird collection from them, and also there's a couple of pets. So wired-haired dachshund. There is also a corgi that's adorable. And this is the baby hedgehog kit, which is also adorable. So everything you need is in the kit. Another kit that we thought was really cute was the puffin, Atlantic puffin. All right, so proceeding on around, the last company I want to feature is the feather Pelts. These are from the United Kingdom. We have a couple styles of kits. This kit actually contains everything you need, including a foam surface. These smaller kits have everything you need but the foam surface. So instructions and wool, everything you need, instructions, wool, needles, and foam. So these are the felting kits in the department, which are today 10% off from midnight to midnight. Now we have another product which it's a very popular product in our store, but we happen to have a lot of them. So let's get them into homes where they can be used. These are the blade scales that are really good at measuring small amounts of product. So the modes that you can set them on are grams, ounces, and they are very precise to like the 10th of an ounce. So it's a great little tool for when you're playing yarn chicken or trying to figure out how much you have left in a project, or maybe you're making a pair of socks and you want to make sure you have the equal amounts for each sock. A scale is a great tool for that. These today are 40% off. So the caption below will describe what kind of a coupon code you need to put in to access these, and we really appreciate you coming in to see the 12 Days of Making. Bye.